So, what can you achieve in 5 minutes? This is my dining room table. I've been sitting here. Look, here's my computer, look. I've been sitting here all day and I basically haven't stopped writing an essay, a 2,000 word essay, which I have just submitted. In the meantime, my daughter came in and dropped her bag down and left a glass on the table, and it's just full of junk, as you can see. So right now I am going to set my timer for 5 minutes and I'm going to clear it all off, and I'll be back to show you what you can do in 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, with the exception of my laptop, because I rested the phone on it so that you could watch me doing what I was doing, the table is clear, and it will only take me just a couple of seconds to replace that, or to place that where it actually lives when I'm done with you. I had a timer set for 5 minutes and it took me 4. So it was very quick, very easy, and actually my table looks stunning. I love my table. But the reality of that is it was easy because everything has a home. I'm decluttered and I have a place for things. And that's what made it easy to clear up. I knew where everything was going that I was going to put it. But you can get there too. If you declutter, you do everything that you need to do. That can be a thing for you too. I am off to eat dinner now because it's really late and I've been doing an assignment all day and I am exhausted.